Alright, YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, so that way you never miss a video. What's going on, YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video. It's been very hard with my schedule lately. So for those of you loyal subscribers, I apologize that I haven't got a chance to make some videos. I still have been trading. I got some trades that are going to load into this video here. Still shooting out signals at an impeccable rate. I've been really just focusing live trading with my clients. That is kind of what has been taking my time as far as making videos. I didn't join this YouTube extravaganza as far as to become this very popular guy. I came in to help people, and that is what my focus has been. I'm not trying to be a celebrity or anything like that and make videos and saying this and that. I want to work by what I stand. So that's kind of why you haven't seen me. I got a few months left in the Marine Corps. So once that happens, you will see me very, very often. We'll be doing this full time. Got a couple great exciting little tidbits that we're going to launch here at G-Trade. One, including now Forex signals. All right. So we are broadening our portfolios. We've been trading Forex for a while. Forex, binary options, all that stuff. We've kind of moving into different realms of how we can make more money. So with this, we're going to start launching our Forex signals. By the time you guys see this video, it will be available on my website at gtradenow.com for the same monthly price as Nadex. And actually, if you want to get both of them, we're going to make it a discounted rate. So that way you can have Nadex signals and actual Forex signals as well. Also happy to announce that I'm launching 5-minute signals. So if that's something you're interested, comment down below. I'm looking to start this group maybe next week. I got a few things I want to go over first, but if you guys are interested in 5-minute signals, just comment down below. Let me know you're interested. I want to make it worth our while and see if we can really get this group going. Everything will be done through the Asian market on the 5-minute binaries. It kind of just helps my schedule. Now with my 5-minute binary, I can't stress it. It works all throughout every market. There's no restrictions. I am always weary of news. But for me and our signal team, that will be launched during the Asian session. And it will all be in a live setting. So that way, we don't miss anything. And we can communicate right there, right then and there, and talk about take profits and whatnot. So big things, signals, guys, for Nadex. 33 wins, 7 losses on the month so far. Last week we were 8 wins, 2 losses, and we've just been grinding, and that's kind of what we've been doing. So if you go to my website, guys, you could check out our stats on our signals, and you'll see that all my stats are listed since October when we started this group. And going forth, we're going to list our Forex signal stats as well as our 5-minute stats. And you're going to start seeing some more Forex videos because we're going to be trading Nadex and Forex. So we're going to get a combination of Nadex and Forex and maybe futures, because I'm working on some futures stuff. So we're really just trying to broaden our portfolios, guys. Really trying to get in and out and make money through different various platforms. So that way we can enhance our bank accounts. So I hope to hear from you guys. I'm enjoying the emails. I'm getting a lot of emails. I'm working with quite a bit. I think I got about 50 people that I've been working with 5-minute binaries. About 30 through my hourly course that I've been heavily working with. So I've been busy and I'm enjoying it. I would love to have more. So if you're interested, please smash the like button, comment down below about the 5 minutes, and email us or purchase, and we'll be right there for you every step of the way. You guys take care and trade safe.